At Conwy Employment Hub, we work together with local businesses to connect you with employment opportunities, such as those with Chemsol.
As a family-run business, we are passionate about providing the very best commercial cleaning service. It's the team that makes Chemsol the best, so recruiting the right people is crucial. You need to have a positive, can-do attitude, be efficient and have an eye for attention to detail and take pride in your job. We provide a uniform and training so everyone delivers the same high-quality service. We work at a wide range of industry sectors, so no 2 days are the same. The team could be working in a hospitality business one day and an office or a shop the next. But at all times, it's important that they care about the premises and the level of cleaning service that they are providing.
For job opportunities with Chemsol and other employers in Conwy, message us today or go to www.conwy.gov.uk/Conwy Employment Hub and fill in the form.